There might be some nonprofits who are listening who are like, this would be awesome if I had a DBA, but I don't. I just have my CRM and I don't have a full-time staff member to manage my data. What advice would you give to them on where to start?
I would still start a lot with, let's look at what we want and need and trace it backwards and do that a little bit at a time. I think it's also important in those cases to be realistic and start with need more than want and build out from there. I think sometimes we really all want to look at what everybody else is doing and we want to do everything possible. But really the thing to do is, what is the next step you can take to build a better relationship with your donors? And what does that look like in your database? I think a lot of fundraisers are so good at the relationships in person, and they forget to translate that relationship into the database. And if the database is seen as a placeholder for relationship, I think that helps keep it from becoming one more to do and one more busy item.